I am Dr. Iggy Sedi Morphy.
Yoo-hoo! I am Dr. Sylvia Stratthum.
And we are geologists, and we are going to work with you today to make rocks. We have different kinds of starburst candy, and we are going to cut them up and make them into sediments. Then we are going to turn them into 3 different types of rocks. Okay, let us begin. You will need scissors. You will need a Ziploc bag. And you will need the metal paper called aluminum foil. We have big time fun today. First, you need to unwrap your 4 candies. Let's unwrap. Okay, so now we have the candies all unwrapped. Now you take your scissors, and if you have extra candy, you put it in and you enjoy. Now we cut the rocks pieces into sediments. Sediments are pieces of rock that have been weathered from water, wind, or ice, or other weathering agents. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. We now cut. Look at these sediments. They are different pieces of the rock. In real life, they could be like sand, dirt, or smaller pebbles that came from bigger rocks. In sedimentary rock, we are now going to do the process of cementation, where we cement them together. In real life, sometimes it's with water, and then the water, when it evaporates away, you have the sediment left. And so, we are making sedimentary rock. When you have cemented them together, your sedimentary rock should look like this. We are now going to change this rock into a metamorphic rock. Now the word metamorphosize means to change. So we're going to change it. Now we're going to take this rock and you're going to put it into your Ziploc bag. The way the metamorphic rock in real life form is when you have 2 continental plates pushing on each other, same density, and they had a lot of heat and pressure over time, and they marbleize. They become these metamorphic rock. They take 2 different kinds of rock, or many different types of rock, and when they mix together from the heat and pressure, they change. And so we're going to try to marbleize, or metamorphosize in this case, these sedimentary rock. To do this, you must squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now, let us look. How's yours? Oh, very nice. Looks like marble. Now you see we have a different rock. It is marbleized. Oh, Dr. Stratthum, look at the metamorphic rock. Last thing to do, you take your special metal foil and you fold it. Now we're going to make igneous rock. We're going to add a lot of heat. We're going to melt it, make it bubble. So you want to make sure that the rock can stay in the boat and not float out when it melts. Yay! And now we can go to our next place, the oven. Yoo-hoo! We are back, and now we are at the stove. As you see, we have put the metamorphic rock in the boat on the stove, and it is getting very hot. Okay, yeah, now you see the magma. Really, it's lava because it's on the surface of the earth, and it is bubbling, and it is changing colors. It's becoming a new rock. So when we have the melting, then we have to go to the next step, which is we have to let it cool. Yoo-hoo! As you see, we are back with our rocks. We now have igneous rock. It is nice and solid. Then it has changed a little bit of color. We have some browns. If you look on the bottom, you see a lot of brown. So now we have an igneous rock from melted rock that is then cooled into a new rock. Yoo-hoo! It's shiny, glassy, like some igneous rocks. Yeah. And now, because you have done this in this cleanliness of your own home, You can try it and see if it tastes good.
Hopefully. Good, very sticky.